Hey, what's going on, guys? Did you know you could massively increase your Google Maps rankings in 24 hours? Watch this. I dedicate this video to my friend Darren Marion. I love you, brother. All right, guys, I hope everybody's doing great. So let's get right into it. Today, I'm using the keyword roofer near me. And remember, we're trying to get right here in the Google 3-pack. This is what I specialize in. This is the only thing I do. I rank clients in the Google 3-pack. If you're interested, please feel free, shoot me a text. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down. I found a business already that it's very, very interesting, and I believe we could make a couple of tweaks. Let me show you what I would do if I was working for them. I'm going to show you a couple of tweaks that I would do, and maybe you're having the same issue. So let's take a look at it. The business is going to be BB Roofing and Contracting. So we're going to jump right into that next. Hey guys, if you could please like and share my video. I made this video just for you, but there's other people just like you that want the same information. If more people like and watch to the end, then Google sees this or YouTube sees this as a good video that they want to share out to other people. So please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, let's jump right into it. So we have the website that we're looking at, BB Roofing Contracting Corp, and you'll notice they have 161 reviews. And I'm saying to myself, 161 reviews. How are they so far away? Well, let's take a look. So the program that I'm using to get these orange boxes here is called GMB Everywhere. You can install the free Chrome plugin that'll allow you to see the information that I'm seeing right here. Why it's good is it lets you see everybody else's GMB category. So you'll notice he just has roofing contractor, but they're also contracting corp. So if he's trying to rank for other keywords in the Google 3-pack besides roofing contractor, he needs other GMB categories. Like contractor, that's a GMB category. So I would be roofing contractor and contractor. Okay? So what's good is you're able to see everybody else's GMB categories to get some ideas here. Okay, so we're just going to stay with roofing contractor. Let's take a look at the website. Well, when we go to the website, the H1 tag right here, this should say top rated 5-star roofing contractor, city name, Staten Island, New York, Tampa Bay, wherever they're located. 718 Staten Island. Okay, so right away, that's a big error. Their title tag, if I mouse over their title tag, it just says BB Contracting Corp. That should say roofing contractor, Staten Island, top rated, five-star Google rated roofing contractor, something to that effect. Okay. As we scroll down, everything on the home page, all their H tags, everything that's big like this is their H tags. So we said what the H1 tag should be, and I think this is an H2 tag. Look what this H2 tag, it says explore our services. What does that mean to Google, explore our services? Now, before you laugh, open up another window and check out your website. Right? Because we all make these mistakes. And there's nothing wrong with this business. I'm sure this guy could buy and sell me 100 times. I'm just showing this website as an example, as things that you need to do. You want to make sure that your H tags are covered. They all say what you do and where you do it. Even though we've got you covered, that doesn't really tell Google what they do and where they do it. Okay, and they won several awards, and then you can follow them on Instagram. So if you were Google, where would you place them? Look at this homepage. Where would you place them? What would you say they did? You don't know, right? You don't know what they do or where they do it. So, okay. So we have this as their GMB category. Your first set of links, we don't need guys, if you have a home link as your first link, please remove it. Your logo is everybody knows to click your logo to go back home. You don't need a home link. The phone number should be nice and big. Everybody tells me they want more phone calls. How are we going to get more phone calls with a 0.5 font? I want a nice big phone number here, and then underneath, I want another call today. I'll show you a good example. I always use my website. I call it the Mona Lisa of websites. This is my website one of the websites we created. I just like to use it because it's really clear. So see how big the phone number is? See the credit cards they accept? See where they're located? Everything's right here. See if you want to call them right here. If you missed the phone number here, you got it right here. Let's go back to BB Corp. Right? Where's the phone number? Where are they located? What do they do? What credit cards do they accept? Right? I want to see the phone number nice and big on the right-hand side. Now, they only have one GMB category. So your first set of links should be all the keyword pages that they're trying to rank for. So for example, residential roofing, metal roofing, shingled roofing, commercial roofing, right? Those should be your first set of links, all their keyword pages that they're trying to rank for. Their second set of links, instead of about us, should be areas we serve. So they may serve Graniteville, they may serve Heartland Village, Richmond Terrace, Amboy. Those are different sections in Staten Island that they may service. They need a page. They need a link, rather, with a page for each section that they service. So let's do this again. And I know a lot of people who watch my videos, know what I'm talking about, but let's just go over this real quick. You have one GMB category. Your homepage should be about the GMB category and should be about where you're from. Top rated 5-star Google or roofer located in Staten Island or on Staten Island, right? Everything here, explore our roofing services on Staten Island, or what's it called? Richmond is in Richmond County, right? So you can use different terms for that, or use zip codes or something like that, right? Maybe later on you can use zip codes. You need more content here about what you do and where you do it. Guys, if you have a form below the fold, nobody's filling it out. If you're going to use a form, it has to be right here. If it's below the fold, I guarantee you everyone's missing it. And almost nobody's filling it out. All right? The next thing, so we have the homepage. We know what to do. We know we need to add more content. We need to add content about roofing, and we need to add content about Staten Island. Now, here's the Staten Island website we did, and you'll notice after what we do and where we do it, there is a section about Staten Island. There's no doubt where this person performs their service and what they do. You see? And there's doubt here. If you scroll down, you don't know what they do or where they do it. So take a look at your website. Make sure that all your H tags are correct and you have a lot of content. If you want to use the Soren Law site as a model, feel free. I call it the Mona Lisa of websites. I think it's great. Okay, where am I? Sorry, I'm sorry if I'm making dizzy. Okay, so your first set of links now are all your keyword pages, all the keywords that you're trying to rank in the Google 3 platform. For example, affordable roofers, right? Stuff like that. Next one, where you perform these services. Now, after those 3 links, you could do anything you want. You could do gallery, reviews, contact us. You should always have a contact us, and it should always be last. Okay? Now, let's take a look at something else. Let's take a look at something else. They have 161 reviews. They have 161 reviews. I just have a feeling, you see, let me go to newest. I should have probably. So one of the things that you need to do, guys, is you need to take a look at your competition and see exactly what I did. See where it says sort, and you want to go to newest, and you want to see how frequent people are getting reviews. And if they're getting reviews like 2-3 times a week, you know that that's what you need to do. Try to get your reviews during business hours. It looks fishy when you post it, when reviews are posted at 3 o'clock in the morning. Not that it's not possible. It's just that reviews appear to stick a bit better when they're done during business hours. Okay? I'll say it like that. Okay? So it looks like we got a review 4 days ago, and then 2 weeks ago, and then a month ago, right? And then a month ago, same thing. So I would take a look at all my other reviews, and I would want to see how often they're getting reviews. And the other thing is they have to use, look, a fantastic organization, very professional proof of individuals. Like, it has to say it should say a fantastic roofing company in Staten Island, right? You want the review to use the keyword, where they're from, who they dealt with, and then you want to use, terms when you're posting a review, like, were they professional, affordable? You want to add those terms in also, okay, when reviews are posted. So unfortunately, you have to let your clients know. You can't tell them what to say, but you could guide them, because if not, they'll just say you're great. Mindsaw, they're great. Okay. The next thing, guys, you want to go over to your Google business profile, right? And you want to click Add Update. See right here, Add Update. When you click Add Update, this is where you could create your Google posts. So if you're not ranking for roofer in Staten Island or on Staten Island, you create Google posts about that keyword and use relevant pictures about posts about that keyword in your post. That's what I was trying to say, right? So if you're trying to rank for roofer, you wouldn't have, for example, a mom and her daughter hugging one another, or somebody playing catch baseball or something like that. You want pictures of roofs. You want pictures of Staten Island. You want pictures of your city and what you do. Okay? If you have a truck, great. Post pictures of your truck. Right? We're trying to show Google that we're a real business and where we service. So in the description, we want to add towns, right? Well, we want to add places that are notable. It's at the one, I did a job on Willow Avenue next to the 122 precinct, right? I did a roofing job on, next to the 122 precinct, or next to the Main Street Library located in Kansas City, Missouri, right? Right? So you want to add those elements into your posts. It's very important. They're also good to add into your reviews. So if I were BB Contracting, I would make all those changes. And then another thing I would do is I would have my, all right, how do I say this? I would have my friends or customers type in roofer near me, scroll down, go to BB Roofing, click it, click the website, or click to call, right? And show that we're finished and that we completed the action, and X out of the search. So get information by going to the website, or by, you see right here, clicking the website, or making a call. See that? And then we want to complete the search. If you could do that like twice a day during business hours, if you're close, meaning that if you're, if you're second, I'm sorry, if you're like fourth or fifth, right, in the search in Google Maps. Let me see. I'm sorry, I have to go back. If I'm making you dizzy, I'm sorry. But okay. So if you're all the way on the bottom, it's not going to help too much. But if you do those changes and you're located, that's another business, BB Siding. Like over here, A&S Roofing, like you're fourth, fifth, sixth, somewhere around there. You make those changes that I just mentioned. You get 1 or 2 reviews with the keyword roofer or whatever you do. And you get 2 people a day from different devices to type in roofer near me, scroll down, click your listing, click the website, or click to call, X out of the search. If you could do that within 24 hours, I guarantee you're going to be in the Google 3-pack. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. All right, guys, listen, I hope everything is going well with you and your family. I can't tell you how important these videos are to me, because I feel like I'm able to share something with you that I know, and I'm able to help you because I want you to be able to, at least if you can't do the work, know what your SEO is doing, right? At least you're informed. Okay. And the other thing is, I get to say a great message at the end. I got your attention, and I got to say to please take care of your family, right? Please take care of your family. Be good. Be good to your wife and kids. It's the most important thing that you could possibly do. We're getting extra rankings. We're getting higher rankings. We're making more money. We're getting more leads, and we're able to do better things with our family. We're able to, our kids are able to go to better schools, for example, right? You're able to go on vacations. You're able to make good memories. So that's what I want from you. The reason why I make these videos is because 2 reasons. One, you're able to help yourself, and also, I mean, let's face it, people call me or text me and say, hey, I need your help. I don't have the time to do it, or I worked with a guy that said, give me 90 days. I could definitely get you ranked, and you haven't seen any work. You haven't seen anything. Right, so you may want to call me, or text me. Feel free. You can text me anytime. But let's take care of our families. That's the thing is the most important thing to do. Guys, have a great day, and we'll catch you next time.